You like the colour green?
What are you, pussy? So yes, and give us your thoughts. Give us your thoughts on the most recent bombing in Alakazam.
I'm flying.
What are we baking today then?
Oh, you touched me!
So we're here reporting live with CBS News. So what's the deal, Ronnie?
Guys, Boogie298 in here.
So what are we cooking today?
Right, using the particles on my fingers. Spong.
I catch this.
Oh!
Another one.
Good. That's why you suck, cause I'm Ross from Friends. It went up. Whoa! How did it do that? Why would it close? Okay. I don't want to last 95 minutes. It's popping a lot. Oh, sizzling.
And those are all the shout outs for today.
Hey guys, welcome to a little vlog. My name is Chris MD. I just have my friend's camera for the moment because he has just hit bone apple feet.
Bone apple feet.
Oh, went up my nose.
You know when I feel low? I just pick up a glass of corn voicer.
You know what I mean?
Burgerlicious.
I ever needed you, buddy.
If any of our parents ever watch this video, which my dad does watch my videos, I'm my uncle.
Hey guys!